and the show is Introducing Relaxation.
Okay, now sit all the way down, and when I hit the chime, I want everyone to just sit very quietly and just notice your breathing. The breath coming in, the breath coming out. Are you ready? Here we go.
The great scientists, the great authors on this subject all tell us, teach young children.
Give yourselves a round of applause. You kids are so good. Here we go. Now get ready.
It's not hard, it's simple. It just takes a little bit of practice and direction. It's a passion for me. I've been doing an assembly program for a couple of years now on this topic, and if you click down below, you'll be able to see some links that will give you video of that program in schools. And just a few weeks back, in May of 2018, I performed a family concert introducing families to relaxation at the beautiful Meadowbrook Theater in Rochester, Michigan.
Hey, stand up. Band, now play it and start walking around the stage. And dance, do your moves. And look at the audience and smile.
We're just about to launch a brand new site that's going to be packed with information for teachers, for parents, and for kids on truly learning to relax. You'll see more information below, and thank you for taking a moment with this Introducing Relaxation program.